What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am way too excited for these videos. In today's video, we're going to be taking the Challenger and doing a POV drive up the canyon. Now, before we jump into the fun stuff, you guys are gonna have to look at this ugly face a little bit longer because I wanna talk about a milestone that the channel just breached yesterday. As of yesterday, the channel now has 7,000 subscribers. That is very huge news. I am extremely excited and eternally grateful for every single one of you out there that likes the videos, comments on them, keeps the conversation going, shares it with your friends, and definitely every single one of you that subscribes to the channel. And for those of you that keep coming back and watching the videos and trying to stay up to date and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and definitely hit the notification bell so you guys can stay up to date on all the current videos. Now, as I've mentioned in previous videos, the goal for the end of the year is 8,000 subscribers before December 31st. Now, the reason I chose 8,000 is not just an arbitrary number. Well, it kind of is, but it also is because at the beginning of 2020, I was at just over 4,000 subs. And so if we're able to hit that 8,000 sub mark, that would mean that the channel has doubled in size in just 1 year, which would be incredible and fantastic. And I mean, words cannot express how ecstatic I am about hitting that milestone. And it's all thanks to people like you that are watching the channel, subscribing, hitting like. I really do appreciate that. And thank you to all of those that have done that. As I mentioned before, if we hit 8,000 before the end of the year, I will be doing a pretty awesome giveaway for all of you. And I promise it's not gonna be something stupid like free microfiber towels or something like that. It's gonna be a really cool giveaway, either like a GoPro or a drone or something similar, and maybe there'll be multiple prizes depending on, you know, if you're not first place but you got second, maybe there's something else for you. So definitely stay tuned for that. And that's why it's important to hit that notification bell so that as soon as I hit 8,000 subs, you guys will be aware of the giveaway video and you guys can stay tuned for that. So definitely spread the word, share the video so that more and more subscribers get there, and that maybe you guys can get that GoPro or that drone before Christmas time. That would be fantastic. So anyways, I'll shut up, I'll stop talking. Thank you all again for getting the channel to 7,000 subs. Now let's jump into the Challenger and you guys can fall asleep to the sweet, soothing sounds of that Hemi V8. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. A pretty simple video for today, but I just wanted to commemorate the 7,000 subscriber mark, and I thought that would be a cool way to do it. Like always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I've mentioned that like 1,000 times in this video, but stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to discuss my thoughts on the Chemical Guys Hydrocharge quasi-ceramic coating. I'll let you know what I think about it, whether it works, whether it doesn't work, and my overall thoughts. So stay tuned for that, and find me on Instagram at Schwazy_. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day.